Hey everyone, welcome back to BitKitchen, where we cook up code with care, one tasty line at a time. Today, we're turning up the heat on Python as we dive into data types, the key ingredients in every Python recipe. Before we stir in data types, we've got to prep our workspace, and that starts with variables. So, what's a variable? Think of a variable like a labeled container in your kitchen. It holds your ingredients until you're ready to use them. Now let's head to BitKitchen and get cooking. In Python, a variable can store a string like this, a whole number, or even a decimal. And don't worry, you don't have to call it variable. The name can be anything, a underscore b, or even BitKitchen. You can also assign multiple values in one go, like this. And if they all need to share the same value, here you are. It's called multiple assignments. It's clean, it's elegant, it's very Python. So picture this. You've got a kitchen drawer labeled sugar. When you open it, you expect to find sugar, right? Same thing here. If we say b is equal to BitKitchen and ask Python to show us b using print b, it'll give us exactly BitKitchen. It's all about labels and storage. But in every kitchen, there are rules, and variables have a few too. Rule 1, never start with a number. One name is wrong. Name 1 works fine. Rule 2, no spaces or symbols. My name with space won't work. Try my name with underscore instead. Rule 3, avoid Python's secret keywords like class, if, else, true, and while. Rule 4, Python is picky about capitalization. Name with small letters, name with N as a capital letter, and name with capital letters are all different. At BitKitchen, we say, naming a variable is like seasoning your favorite dish. Keep it clear, simple, and skip the weird stuff like symbols or reserved words. Keep it readable. Keep it real. Let's move to our first data type, the string. A string is just a fancy name for text. Anything inside quotes, words, numbers, or symbols is treated as a string in Python. Next up, integers. These are whole numbers, no quotes, no decimals. They're like counting eggs, 1, 2, 3, no fractions allowed. When you need decimals, like 2.5 cups of milk, use a float. A float is a number with a decimal point, perfect for measuring, pricing, or anything precise. In Python, you can switch between data types. That's called casting. Turn an integer into a string with star, a string into an integer with int, and more. It's like changing aprons in the kitchen. Same chef, new style. Now you've got your first taste of data types: string for text, integers for whole numbers, float for decimals. In our next video, we'll chop up another powerful concept: lists. They let you group ingredients or values together like a recipe. From now on, think of your ingredients as strings, timer as integer, amount as floats. So let's meet again in the next video and take another confident step forward in your Python journey. And don't forget, until next video, keep your code aglow. Here at BitKitchen, we cook it nice and slow.